Hey there! Today I'm diving into something super important, nutrient deficiencies and their warning signs. You might not realize it, but your body often sends signals when it's lacking essential nutrients. So, let's break down what you should be looking out for. First up, zinc deficiency. Have you noticed a loss of taste or smell lately? This could be due to low zinc levels. Other signs include weakened immunity, slow wound healing, and even hair loss. Next, vitamin D deficiency. If you're experiencing achy muscles, especially in your back, or feeling constantly fatigued, you might want to check your vitamin D levels. Bone pain and mood changes like depression can also be red flags. Now let's talk about vitamin A deficiency. Difficulty seeing in the dark, known as night blindness, is a classic indicator. Dry eyes, dry skin, and a higher susceptibility to infections are also common symptoms. Moving on to vitamin C deficiency. If your gums bleed easily during flossing or brushing, this could be a sign. You might also notice easy bruising, slow wound healing, and constant fatigue. Sodium deficiency, or hyponatremia, is another one to watch out for. Muscle weakness and fatigue are initial signs. In more severe cases, you might experience nausea, headaches, and confusion. Potassium deficiency, also known as hypokalemia, can manifest as an increased pulse rate or heart palpitations. Plus, muscle cramps, weakness, and fatigue are pretty common. Vitamin B1 or thiamine deficiency often shows up as irritability and fatigue. In severe situations, it can lead to a condition called Beriberi, which affects the heart and nervous system. Magnesium deficiency usually causes muscle cramps, often referred to as Charlie horses. You might also feel fatigued, weak, and may even notice irregular heart rhythms. Lastly, omega-3 fatty acid deficiency, flaky, dry skin, particularly around the nose and mouth, is a telltale sign. Poor memory, mood swings, and joint pain can also be indicators. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment. They might suggest dietary changes or supplements to address the deficiency. Thanks for tuning in. Stay healthy and listen to your body. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Catch you in the next video.